Hello mabuhay! It's me, Kobe from Lilat Flowers and Events Management, your 3-servant planner here in Quezon Province. At ngayon, for today's vlog, gusto ko kayong isama kung paano magtrabaho ang isang event coordinator from Team Lilat. So let's go guys! Come and join me and let's explore this event industry. Mabuhay! A good coordinator knows what to do, what right thing to do in a preparation. Kaya naman ngayon, i-check natin kung ano ang kaganapan kasama ating mga supplier, and especially our bride and groom, kung tama pa ba at nasusunod pa bang ating timeline at lahat ng ginagawa natin ay on schedule para naman smooth ang flow ng ating wedding event today. At syempre, kailangan stress-free at hassle-free ang ating event today. Kaya naman, tinutulungan namin ang ating bride as of now sa mga gagawin niya for our preparation para less hassle, less stress, a happy bride. A happy bride? Hello guys! So today as an event coordinator, kapag dating po ng mga bisita, especially our ninang and ninang and some of our entourage, ina-assist po namin sila and giving them some instructions kung ano yung mga gagawin nila while doing the procession. And yes, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa ating reception venue at as an event coordinator, sinesecure namin na ang flow ay tuloy-tuloy at ang bawat special moments ay na-highlight sila ng first dance at different wedding rituals. Kaya naman, kinesecure namin ang bawat part ng program ay seamless. And yes, of course, we ended our event for today. Kitang-kita naman po sa mukha at sa ngiti ng ating couple na they are satisfied and happy sa naging outcome ng kanilang wedding event. So guys, if you have future event, do not hesitate to contact us on our official social media accounts. Always like, share, comment, and follow, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga vlog. See you guys in your event. Thank you so much. Mabuhay!